This is going to be a quick dive into the latest find. I guess this is going to be the year of Westinghouse units. 8,000 BTU. I have not date coded it yet. I'm thinking late 60s. It does have the badge on the back. If we can get to it, there it is. 4 vents. It seems like it is in good shape. I haven't opened up the sleeve yet. I have looked inside, and there's your information. Yeah, that's looking like a 1969 by that serial number, but I could be mistaken. This is going to be its first start. We haven't tried it, and neither did the person selling it, so let us see what it does. I'm gonna try high fan first. Sounds lovely as can be. Here we go for compressor.